And we back at it like Umhlani. It's another Friday. It's the Lifestyle Corner. We are back at it right here on the Choice TV network. Kumnandi kunjaya. It's just another Friday. Change my shirt, change my shades. And guys, abangani if it's Dumi still Adam. He's still rocking the same steez, guys. I think he's getting fitter. You know, it's an exciting time. It's 2026. You know, people go through some New Year's resolutions. I think this year he's trying to be a fitter guy, you know, health purposes. But yeah, this is the show where we give you the latest in everything that has got to do with lifestyle, cars, hotels, movies, music, anything, you name it, health especially. So each week we're going to change some of the things that we introduce you to. So this is your information notice board when it comes to everything that is lifestyle. So with that being said, I don't want to waste your time. Let us go to the first segment of the show every week, which is who got the drop? Who got the drop? Who got the drop? This is a segment where we give you nothing but the latest in local music. All the drops that are exciting. Remember, guys, if we give you drops and you're not happy with them, feel free to suggest on the comment section or on all of our platforms. Just tell us some of the drops that we've missed, some of the drops that you want to share with people. Click like and subscribe and comment. Make sure. So with that being said, let's dive into our first artist on this week's Who Got the Drop. And I know you guys love this guy. He is our brother, Usjava just released his sequel album, Inkanyezi Nezinkanyezi. The Afrofusion star completed his acclaimed trilogy with his soulful projects featuring heavyweights like Umsaki and Anazi. So this is gonna go to a one-man show, guys. Like I think this is the last album in Inkanyezi Nezinkanyezi, the trilogy. So like he's been taking us on a journey. So I think a one-man show, the album is on the cards. So it's exciting. So you guys better make sure you stream it. I currently don't have the track list, but yeah, that's fine. You guys probably have it, so I'm just mentioning it. So next on our agenda, we've got Asak and Wizkid. Wizkid is back. They've got their hit single from their collaborative EP called Jogodo. It's doing amazing. Shout out to Asaki for featuring an international star like Wizkid. You know, I like it when African artists collaborate on some music, you know, instead of beefing, xenophobia. Like, I don't like that. Kanti, we are one. You know, this track has been dominating the waves. It has a high energy production. So yeah, it's world music, man. It's world music. It's doing its rounds. I think it dropped last year or early Jan. So yeah, it's been really dope. And thirdly, but not least, we got My Man Trophy with the Chem Chair. It's a single. It went viral in SA. It's an anthem. Perfectly captures the leisure and package song vibe of the summer season. So yeah, that was a December song and it's still going. It's viral. So until somebody removes them from the anthem, I don't know, we are still going. This is an amazing time for African music. You know, like I'm really happy that we are very much focused on what we are doing in our own continent and giving it to the world, because we have limitless talent. All we need to do is just collaborate. Our rhythm and soul and sound is immaculate. So with that being said, let's take a bit of an ad break. We'll be back with one of your favorites, which is called On the Couch. It's raining today, so you guys are probably indoors. So I'm going to give you a few suggestions on what to watch while you're with your loved ones on a beautiful Friday. I'm your boy, Mr. Live C. It's the Lifestyle Corner, more than a lifestyle. We'll be back after this. And we back at it like Umhlani. We are having a good time. I told you we are back. It's the Lifestyle Corner, more than a lifestyle. We are back with On the Couch. We just gave you Who Got the Drop. We gave you all the latest music. So go Spotify and YouTube and all the other DSPs. You guys are pretty much sorted for now. But I know you want them suggestions. I know you want to watch movies. I know you want to watch series. So on the couch, we give you nothing but the best in that. So this week, last week, we change. We give you movies, documentaries, and series. So this week, I'm giving you the top series on Netflix to watch by our own POV. So don't say we're imposing and now you got your own. But if you're watching this platform, we're gonna give you what we think is to watch, and we look at the top 10s on all of these platforms. So with that being said, let's go to Netflix. Let's give you our top 3 on Netflix this week. We have got Night Agent season 3. So if you've been watching best high stakes FBI action you can find right now. So if you're into spy games, espionage, James Bond type of feel, Night Agents is your thing on Netflix, guys. Secondly, we have got The Lincoln Lawyer. So if you like the Suits, this is probably, it's not a spin-off, but it's Suits 2.0 because it has more action, it has more intensity, it has more thrill. You know, Suits was more about the suits and corporate cases. This is about criminal cases and investigative journalism. So best make sure sharp legal drama. It's sharp legal drama. So that's what I'm saying to you. It's broader than Suits because Suits was based on corporate law. So this one is based on criminal law and civil law. So if you're looking for that type of content on Netflix, best believe Lincoln Lawyer is your thing. But if you're also into British type of drama with monarchs and class and high-end type of lifestyle, tennis, golf clubs, and high teas, you better believe you have to watch Bridgerton season 4 part 2. So if you enjoyed the part 1, season 2 is your thing, man. This is a massive periodic romantic series. So if you're into Bridgerton, I'm sure you guys have been watching explicit under 18. So better make sure if you're under 18, do not watch Bridgerton. Do not watch Bridgerton. And do to me like this: if you're under 18, don't watch Bridgerton. But yeah, it's a nice series. Please make sure. So going on to Amazon Prime, we have got season 2, Where Cross. So you guys have been posting it. Cross. It's a gritty crime thriller starring Aldous Hodge. It's a psychological thriller. It's an amazing series. So we've got to season 2. So I'm guessing it did well in the first season. So Amazon have brought it back. So it's exciting. All you guys have been posting it. Then we have got Fallout. If you have played the game, I've played the game. I'm a gamer. So if you play the game Fallout, we've got Fallout season 2 and 1, post-apocalyptic sci-fi based on the game. So yeah, if you're into that type of content, if you're into that type of movies, this is your thing. And then we've got 57 Days, suspenseful new erotic thriller. So if you're into those type of things, it's similar to your 28 Days. So if you've watched 28 Days, then 57 Days is your thing. So that is it for this week. We're probably going to add more shows. We're going to add Apple TV, no Disney, just no Showmax, of course, like I mentioned last week on the show. So we're just going to give you a variety of things each week. We're just going to change it up because the platforms maning. So yeah, with that being said, it's the Lifestyle Corner. We are going to an ad break. We're coming back with the last segment of the show, which is the postcard, where we give you nothing but the best in tourism in the country. I'm your boy, Mr. Live T. We'll be back after this short break. Boom. And we back. We are back right here on the Lifestyle Corner. It's more than a lifestyle. We are back like Umhlani. We're having a good time. You know, we've just gave you on the couch. So you guys have to please make sure you keep yourselves up to date with everything that's going on with On the Couch, because after work, after training, after a party, after a lazy Sunday, you just want to be able to continue your series, watch your movies. You know, we're going to keep you up to date with that. But with the postcard, we are here to give you nothing but the best in SA's tourism. So last week we gave you a situation whereby we are giving you inner city, coastline. Right now we're taking you inland. Yabo? We're taking you inland, we're taking you to the mountains, we're giving you a different feel because we are a rainbow nation, so we give you a rainbow full of experiences. So yeah, right here on the Lifestyle Corner, we are your number one notice board for all of that. Firstly, without being said, let's give you Cap Shop. Yeah, I think it's a German name. Let's go through the description. It's a misty high altitude village in Mpumalanga known for its herd of wildlife horses that roam freely in the streets and the surrounding lands. So that's what we're telling you. We've still got that type of aesthetic in our country. We give you coastline, we give you city life, and we give you primitive lifestyle within the tourism spectrum. So let's go through some of the features. Feature dramatic rock formations and ancient sandstone structures ideal for hiking. So yeah, if you live in the KZN area, if you live in SA, we have Rocky Mountains. We have a lot of hiking experiences. So wherever you are in the world, if you're looking for the greatest hikes, the greatest expeditions, greatest trails, greatest bike trails, come to SADA and go to Ketchup. You know, like that's what they do, man. That's what they do. Secondly, they offer a serene atmosphere of quinstones and regular sightseeing of the rare blue swallow. So we are very rich in indigenous animals. We are very rich in agriculture, in all that is form of life in terms of the animal kingdom, and we have very, very, very rare species of flowers, trees, animals, everything, you name it. It's like everything that is only indigenous to us. So if you're lucky and if you're a bird watcher, you better make sure you go to this resort because you have to have a picture of the blue swallow. With that being said, let's move on to Hog's Back, which is also another mountain type situation. Let's go through the description. It's a nestless high and Amatole mountains and widely rumored to have inspired, widely rumored, for lack of a better word, widely rumored to have inspired the J.R.R. Tolkien's Middle Earth with his mystical fog covered and landscapes. So we don't only have aesthetics or tourism, but we also give inspiration to international artists and people that like arts. So this architecture of this place was inspired by a certain artist and inspired by a certain artistic era, if I might say. So let's go through some of their features. It is home to indigenous Afro-montane forests, cascading waterfalls, and famous eco-shrine arts installations. So it's a very artistic place. So you'll find your hieroglyphics on the caves. You'll find paintings. You'll find abstract art galleries that are just sharing the history of the place and our country. So yeah, moving on to one more of the features, provides a thriving arts and craft scene alongside adventurous mountain biking and hiking trails. So that's what I was telling you. If you're anybody that is adventurous and is looking for the best trails for biking, the best trails for running, the best trails for hiking in its sense, SADA is the best place to be, man. Like, let's go to Hog's Back. Make sure you go to Hog's Back. And with that being said, we've come to the end of our show this week. It's a Friday. I'm about to go gig. I'm about to go do some things. Utumi is getting ready. He's not even behind the camera. He's moving around all over the studio. I don't even know what he's doing. He's talking to the producers there at the back. I think they're having a few drinks. I don't know. But it's an exciting Friday right here on the Choice TV network. It's the Lifestyle Corner. More than a lifestyle. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to all of our platforms. And make sure you give us any suggestions of anything that you'd like to be mentioned on the show. I'm your host, Mr. Live C. It's the Lifestyle Corner, more than lifestyle, right here on the Choice TV network. We are signing out. Do me on the volume. Boom.